Pakistan officially launched its new MBT main combat tank called Haider. The ceremony is carried out from the Heavy Industries Taxila HIT manufacturing facility. The launch was attended by Pakistani Army Chief of Staff General Syed Asim Munir, Ambassador of the People's Republic of China, NORINCO Defense Company officials, and others. Reported by the Pakistan Strategic Forum, the Haider tank was produced domestically by HIT through collaboration with the NORINCO Chinese company. Haider was built based on the VT-4 tank platform made by NORINCO, which offers excellence in the capacity of firing, protection, and exceptional maneuvering characteristics. Its main weapon is the 125mm smoothbore cannon that is able to fire various types of ammunition, such as the APF-SDS armor-piercing fin-stabilized disc-carrying sabot and can launch anti-subject missiles. While the secondary weapon consists of a 7.62mm coaxial machine rifle and a weapon station is operated from RCWS with a 12.7mm engine rifle. This tank is also equipped with a small room and a bullet refill area. Haider is equipped with a sophisticated shot control system, integrating various sensors and targeting devices to optimize accuracy and deadly on the battlefield. Haider tank is also one of the strongest tanks that cannot be hit by bullets. This tank was also designed by China and can dive in water depths of approximately 3 meters. As a driving force in the form of a turbo diesel engine that is controlled electronically produces 1,200 horsepower, and uses hydro-mechanical automatic transmission. Haider can be driven up to a maximum speed of 70 km/h on a hard flat road and a cruising range of 500 km.